You heard Stan Freberg, and I hope you get the idea here. Radio is limited in that it is only audio, it is only sound. But just as we've said about books and printed matter, um, the fact that it's not a complete picture, a complete visualization of, quote, life, unquote, the way, for instance, movies are, means that your brain supplies the rest, whatever's missing from whatever senses are reached. So you play an image, you play pictures in your head, and it's called theater of the mind. And it means radio can, with sound effects and creative language, be a very engaging, persuasive, and entertaining medium. Theater of the mind. So now that kind of talks about what it is a bit, sets the stage. Now we'll talk about history, development, invention of radio, etc. The third electronic medium. And this isn't a family. This looks like, I don't know what. It looks like divorce court is what it looks like. But you see people in a room. You know, this is in the 1930s, I would say, maybe in the late, it was probably maybe the late 1920s, early 1930s, around a radio. They're all looking at it, even though there's nothing to see. It's just sound. But, you know, the radio is a piece of furniture in most Americans' homes, just the way the TV set may be today. And it's the third electronic medium, and we'll talk about the first two here in a minute. So for the development part, this is what we're going to go through. Okay. All right. And now I am going to once again stop, and we're going to go to a film which shows long distance communication before electricity. You can see what this is just from the name on the top there from The Lord of the Rings, but I want us to watch it. So before we could send sounds on radio waves, how did people communicate over a long distance? Okay.